Sustainability, in a generic sense, is inscribed in the Luz Saúde, Portugal Table of Values. We know that healthcare ecosystems, particularly healthcare provider ecosystems, are among the largest producers of CO2 footprint in the world, and therefore, this concern is paramount.
Luz Saúde has around 30 magnetic resonance imaging systems, and therefore this has a significant impact, given that imaging is the largest consumer of electricity within hospitals.
This also implies an ethical objective of being extraordinarily efficient in the use of the resources placed at our disposal.
We have had a special relationship with Siemens Healthineers for a long time,
which also challenged us to install a set of technologies to measure the energy consumption of our equipment and also to install AI technology that allows us to optimize efficiency or production in the exams performed on our patients.
Our Act Green service includes 3 main phases. The first is the installation of energy monitoring equipment. In this case, we are talking about 10 MRI machines and 10 chillers to be monitored. A second phase is data collection, and in a third phase we analyze this data.
All this allows us to increase the financial efficiency of our consumption.
With around 200 megawatts of energy not consumed, if we are talking about the complete installed base of Luz Saúde, Portugal, we are talking about a potential of around 92 tons of CO2 that will not be emitted annually.
And this then allows us to also reduce the carbon footprint per exam, and the patient spending less time inside the equipment also has a better experience, and we also have advantages on top of that. Regarding deep resolve, our doctors feel more comfortable making diagnoses or performing interventional radiology on our patients because they have better image quality. On average, we estimate that we reduce energy consumption by 60% per patient per exam. Therefore, we can scale this type of project to other infrastructures in our buildings based on a pilot project, this one from Act Green, which proved that this initiative brings great advantages to our hospitals.
It's an added value compared to certification processes. We are not among those who think that buying carbon credits solves the problem, because we continue to pollute, in essence. And therefore, we really want to try to achieve maximum savings and rationality, particularly electricity, can come from renewable sources.
It is a scarce resource. In fact, it is now a topic of geopolitical debate to address the aging of the enormous population, which will create more pressure on the resources we have available to guarantee this. Therefore, it is an ethical duty. It doesn't cross my mind that we shouldn't also manage this resource, just like human resources, to better provide health care to the population that entrusts us with their health.